Hello? Yes? Hello? No, not really. Thank you. Yeah, bye-bye.
Can you see them? Fully blocked.
Looks very dirty.
Full dirty.
Ah, so this is the coolant.
Yeah.
It might look like another day from the video, but this is actually in the evening right now. And one advantage of having lights is I can work in the evening as well. Lights on, AC on. I'll just do something. I think the color looked weird for some reason. Yeah. I don't have this in the morning. Got a bunch of foam. Man, this lighting is so bad on my face. Yeah, I can't help it. I don't really have much light now. This is one of the foam I got from China. You know, it's supposed to absorb sound and help improve the audio quality. I got them pre-cutted on the thickness. I got a bunch of more on the other side, which is not in the camera. And I'm supposed to cut them in proper sizes, then arrange them in a certain pattern. I don't think you can see. Just crazy numbers. And yeah, then I'm gonna hang them on the wall. So hopefully it'll work on the tools I got. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, also got some canvas board. Never heard of this thing before. It's 50 by 6 centimeters, and the plan was to cut the foam into small pieces and arrange them on the board. Maybe make 4 of them, and yeah, let's see if it's gonna work. This is pretty bad, actually. Look at all the non-smooth surface and apparently a bread knife works better on sponges. I have to find a better way to cut this stuff. So far the results are pretty bad. They're not smooth, they're not even. They don't really look like cubes. You know, it's being twisted and you name it, everything. You know, maybe the top looks okay, but then on the side it cuts sideways. Yeah. Either practice or some other method. I have to use something else. Just gonna end it now. Until I find a better method, then maybe I just finish this off.